going to show you today how you can pay the IRS online. And I find that this is, I think, the safest way to do it online. Go to www.irs.gov. You're going to come to this screen and select Make a Payment. And we're going to go down here. You have two ways you can pay. You can either pay for a bank account, by your bank account, or debit card or credit card. That is how you can do it from this page here. The Electronic Federal Tax Payment System, that's EFTPS.gov. If you're signed up for that, that is a really good and easy way to do it as well. Yeah, electronic funds withdrawal, that is when you put your banking information on your tax return when you're filed, and it is paid at that point. You can wire money, and of course that would probably cost a little bit more because there'll probably be bank fees. You can do a check or money order, or you can just send cash to the IRS. But let's look at these two options that we have here on the IRS page right now. We're going to start with the bank account. We're just going to do a direct pay right from the bank account. You can, right here, you can look up payment history, which I explained in another video, or you can make a payment, and there you have availability hours. So they're only available to do this Monday to Saturday, midnight to 11:45 p.m. Eastern Time, and Sunday, 7 a.m. to 11:45 Eastern Time. So click on Make a Payment. And from here, you're going to do select reason. We're going to be saying that you have a tax return for 2019 that you need to pay. But look at all the other reasons that you can pay through the IRS. You can do money that you owe with an extension, estimated tax payments. You got a notice from the IRS. You can pay for that here. You have an amended return. You owe money on that. Just so many different reasons to pay the IRS that you can do right from here. So we're going to go back here to tax return. Select type. We're going to say the 1040A or 1040. And we're going to select 2019. So then you can continue. It asks you to confirm. Yes, we want to pay for a tax return for the year 2019. This is correct. Now, you're going to go here, and it's going to ask for verification. Now, this, unfortunately, is as far as I'm going to be able to go with this video because I don't want to give away my sensitive information. And, of course, again, I don't have your information to enter here. But for tax year verification, you have different years that you can verify, so you can select that. Now you need to make sure that you have a copy of your tax return for the year that you are trying to verify, as it asks for information from that tax return. So you'll need your tax return, and that is how you do it for paying for the bank. Now let's go back and look at how you do it for making a payment using a debit or credit card. It's the same thing. You go to irs.gov, select make a payment, select debit or credit card. Now, there are going to be fees that you need to pay to use a debit or credit card, just so that you are aware of it. And you have your options here that you can select. Let's make a payment. Let's select this one. And it's going to take you through a third party to use the payment, but it's safe, so you're okay. And it's giving you all the details of how much it's going to cost you to do that. So we're going to say we're going to make a personal payment. Again, we're going to select a category for the current year of 2019. Again, you have all these options. If you have other reasons to pay, like a prior year tax return, installment agreement, estimated tax payments, payment with an extension. But we're going to say that we're paying for the current year, 2019. Going to continue. And once again, this is as far as I'm going to be able to go. Here, you need to enter all of this information, and it'll ask you for the payment amount and your credit or debit card. And so there you have it. If you have any questions, My email address is in the description below, as well as the link to the IRS.gov website. And thank you. You have a happy day.